Hi, superstars! It's another palm oil week. You are welcome. Alright, so today I'll be giving you updates on palm oil business in Nigeria and palm oil storage business in Nigeria. I'll be sharing with you the latest trends and what's going on in palm oil business in Nigeria and palm oil storage business in Nigeria. So, my superstars, you are welcome. If you're in palm oil business, this is the right place to be. So, if you know someone who's in palm oil business or planning to start palm oil business, please invite them to join us. All right, my superstars, let's get started. Okay, so first, let's start with jerrycans. A lot has been happening in palm oil business in Nigeria. Okay, palm oil business had slowed down for a while because of the holidays, but gradually it is kicking back into action. That was why I told people who didn't buy palm oil that period was a good window for them to get as much as they want, because after now palm oil was going to swing back in full force and it's going to take a very fast momentum. Okay, so right now palm oil is gradually picking up again. They're beginning to record another increase gradually, but like I said, let's start with jerrycans. Jerrycans in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo, for 25 liters is 5,200 naira. It's still 5,200 naira. So for those who are interested in buying palm oil, Jerrican is still 5,200 naira in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo. Though, like I said, it is not much like it used to be. But no matter what, jerrycans can be sourced and it can be found. Okay, so it sells at 5,200. People are selling 5,005. People are selling 6,000. But like I always say, I know where I can get for you at 5,200 naira. Okay, and please, I don't sell empty jerry cans. I get jerry cans, fill it with palm oil, and send it to people in their location. Okay, so next we'll be talking about palm oil itself. So many people have been trying to get palm oil, but the challenge has been some locations. There are some locations that do not have direct logistics to their places. So I want to sincerely apologize to those superstars. For now, there are some places that logistics can get to. Although recently I found a transport company that could get palm oil to the north, but there are still some places within the like Ilorin and place Ibadan, all those places. There are some places that I'm yet to find logistics. Nevertheless, if you need palm oil, you can always reach out to me and I'll find out if your location is available, if logistics is possible. I trust that with time, logistics will improve and so many people, as many as need, will have delivery of palm oil to their location. I know so many people crave to have a taste of Akwa Ibom palm oil. Akwa Ibom palm oil remains the best. The taste is unique. The method of processing is 100%. Although there are lots of people who process palm oil wonderfully, but nevertheless we have lots of good palm oil out there, and thank god I know how to know a good palm oil after I had learned the hard way. Now I know how to know a good palm oil, so I ensure I carry out lots and lots of tests, okay, on palm oil before I get to buy it and then send it to people in their location. So I ensure I get the best quality and all that. Okay, so some people had also indicated interest in knowing more about palm kernel business in Nigeria. Don't worry, my superstars. I'm putting together a video on palm kernel business in Nigeria, and once it is ready, I'll put it out here. So keep looking out, okay? I got you. I'm working on it, and once it is ready and well detailed, I'll put it out here for you. All right, because anything that has to do with palm oil counts me in. All right, and we are even working on going into palm oil plantation and all that. But you know, my superstars, it is capital intensive because we'll need to buy land, need to buy seedlings, plenty pesticides and all that, so it's going to be capital intensive. So I trust God that with time we will swing into action, and I will carry every one of you along on this channel. So my superstars, stay fixed. Okay, if you sneeze you miss, all right, don't miss out. Keep looking out, and if you know anyone who's interested in anything that has to do with palm oil business, you can always reach invite them to join us. All right, so that brings us to the price of palm oil. The price of palm oil had reduced for a day or two to about 53,000 naira in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo, and then it gradually increased. As at today, palm oil, freshly milled palm oil, and grade 1 palm oil is 54,000 naira in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo. Yes, that's the price for freshly milled palm oil in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo, as at today. Okay, so if you want it, I can always help you get it and send it to your location. There are other grades of palm oil that also serve other purposes, and the price is not the same. Those other grades are of lower price. Okay, the lower grades are of lower price. Okay, so if you also need it, you can send in your orders, but you have to specify specifically what you want. Is it grade 1 you want? The price is not the same. Is it grade 2 you want? Okay, or grade 3? Those other ones are for industrial purposes, for processing and all that. So if you're into processing, production and all that, and you need grade 2, grade 3 palm oil, I can always get it for you and send it to your location. Whatever you need, I'm at your service. Okay, my superstars. All right. So you can always send me a DM via WhatsApp or send me an email via idzillion@gmail.com, and then we'll get started. Alright, in the meantime, have you liked this video? Please give me a thumbs up. Alright, my superstars, and if you have any question, please leave it in the comment section and I will get right back to you. Alright, my superstars, thank you for watching. I appreciate every one of you. I trust that this week will be an amazing week for you and you will make amazing sales. Alright, my superstars, till our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Bye, superstars.